So for my flipped classroom assignment, I decided I would do a video um, teaching my current students how to use Office 365. Basically, why I decided to do this is because our district is a Microsoft district as opposed to how other districts are Chrome based. Basically, we don't use Google Classroom, we use Microsoft Teams and Office 365 to share documents, to create our, writing assignments, things like that. So that's what the purpose of this screencast would be. So to find the website, you would use the link on our district website. It's on the left-hand side under the quick links. You could also Google Office 365 login, and it's also on the district SharePoint site. And as you can see, the link is right over here. Logging in is simple. You're just going to use your school email address that ends in arvin-go.com, and your password is the same password that you use to access your email. This is what the screen should look like once you log in. As you'll see, I have an arrow pointing to the OneDrive icon because that's how I'm going to share that's what we're going to use to share documents, and that's going to be the first thing that we go over. So the reason why you would share your assignments with me as opposed to just emailing them to me is because sharing it is more secure than emailing them to me. It allows you to work collaboratively with a partner if that's what the assignment requires. It also lets you choose who sees a file. You choose what the other person can do with the file. So say you wanted to show your assignment to your friend, but you didn't want them to be able to edit it. You could do that with the settings. And you can also stop sharing a file at any time. So if you shared your file with a friend, but you didn't want them to see it anymore, you could then unshare it with them. So how to share? Well, you would click on the little ellipses here. Then you would see this window, which is where you would type in the name of the person that you're sharing with. That you would type in here. I entered the name of another teacher on campus. You would show that there, and then you would just click send, which is the blue button right under. Now, the reason that I chose this again is just to show my students how to do it because the process can be somewhat complicated. I kind of spoke to this video the way I would speak to my class, so hopefully there was no confusion there. And that is how you share a file on Office 365.